कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविताशाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलं वाल्मीकिर्मुनिसिंहस्य कवितावनचारिणः शृण्वन् रामकथानादं को न याति परां गतिं जयत्यति बलो रामः लक्ष्मणश्च महाबलः राजा जयति सुग्रीवो राघवेण अभिपालितः दासोऽहं कौशलेन्द्रस्य रामस्य अक्लिष्टकर्मणः हनूमान् शत्रुसैन्यानां निहन्ता मारुतात्मजः न रावणसहस्रं मे युद्धे प्रतिफलं भवेत् शिलाभिस्तु प्रहरतः पादपैश्च सहस्रशः अर्धयित्वा पुरीं लङ्काम् अभिवाद्य च मैथिलीं समृद्धार्तो गमिष्यामि विशतां सर्वराक्षसां नमोऽस्तु रामाय सलक्ष्मणाय देव्यै च तस्यै जनकात्मजायै नमोऽस्तु रुद्रेन्द्रयमानिलेभ्यो नमोऽस्तु चन्द्रार्कमरुद्गणेभ्यः नमः सभायै रामायण लाइफ मैनेजमेंट एंड रामायण लेक्चर सीरीज में हिंदू टेम्पल ऑफ लबक में आज तो 81st संगोष्ठी 81st सिटिंग ऑन रामायण एंड इट्स वैल्यू रामायण मूल्य के ऊपर ये चर्चा तो 2 years इट इज बीन हैपनिंग फॉर 2 years एंड आज तो बहुत दास का बहुत प्रसन्नता है और भारत देश में तीर्थाटन करके कैसा धर्मराज को युधिष्ठिर को देकर तीर्थ यात्रा करके विदुर जी पुनः हस्तिनापुर आते हैं, ऐसा ही है आज श्रीमान जिट्टू भाई और उसकी धर्मपत्नी सहधर्मपत्नी दीना बहन दोनों श्री संप्रदाय के राजधानी में कुछ दिन रहकर अभी भारत से ये अमेरिका लबक लौटे हैं। स्वागतम सुस्वागतम, बट रामा इज गोइंग अवे, द स्टोरी इज टेकिंग ए डिफरेंट पाथ। स्वागतम सुस्वागतम, and more importantly when people have gone and come from तीर्थाटन like that, वो nothing but प्रभु जी, वो सभी लोग तो प्रभु जी है, प्रणाम। ये बैठक में क्या है, ये विशेषता है, वी आर आल्सो एक्सपीरियंसिंग such a relish that those people who came, because it's not a ordinary lecture, one has to have a dedicated time and one has to focus, and very very heart such a relish, heart feeling das ki that the two ladies, they don't give up, they come, Srimati Mili और श्रीमती हेतल पारिक, they have been coming since the beginning, धन्य हो। सो सोयम कालेय कालो जयति मुररिपो यत्र संकीर्तनाद्यैः निर्यत्नैः मार्गे अखिलदन चिरात् त्वत्प्रसादं भजन्ते। Why this sangoshti is important? They say the concise of Bhagavatam is Narayaniyam. So Bhattatri, a great Mahapurush who lived just 400 years or so ago, he says, if there is a Guna Kirtan of Prabhuji, even Kali, Kalo Kali, Soyam Kalo Kali, even if it's Kali, those Sur Devatas, those Devatas in the upper world, upper log, Devata hai na, जातास्त्रैता कृतादावपि इकिल कलौ संभवं कामयन्ते। They don't even want to go to Treta Yuga or Krita Yuga. Two things we can do. Enough Tirtha Yatra we can do, like these people have done and come back. And Nam Sravan, ये दोनों Sri Mata are doing here. That Sravan. So the only thing is going and Mandhira Marjanam. Even now we witnessed this Sriman doing Marjanam of the temple and Sravana. ये दोनों कृत और त्रेता में कम है, because everybody was interested in their own Atma Anubhavam, Yajna, Yaga. That's how Krita Yuga and Treta Yuga felt. So he says, Bhagavan Krishna, Ram is more pleased if people could come and sit in Sangoshti. दैवात् तत्रैव जाताने विष रसैः मा विभो वञ्चयासे God, do me a favor. Don't trick me. Don't trick me to be in useless goshti. Please make sure that I enjoy Kali Yuga. Can you believe? Whereas Bhagavatam says, Kalo Dukkha Nide Rajan. But at the end, he says, Kali is the best. That's a different story. This Bhattatri says, people give up Treta Yuga, people give up Krita Yuga. They want to come to Kali Yuga because itna kirtan, itna tirtha, तीर्थ यात्रा होता है कली में, दैट टू इन भारत भूमि में. सो धन्य हो, धन्य हो, धन्य हो. सो किधर है पूर्व कथा संग्रह? सो रामा लीव्स अयोध्या. पीपल आर कमिंग, रनिंग एंड रनिंग एंड रनिंग. चिरम दुःखस्य पापीयो गम्यताम अर्थ सिद्धये. ही इज टेलिंग हिज सारथी सुमंत्रा to come down in the southern west direction and then run the chariot along the banks of Tamasa. And people are crying, hey Ram, if you leave us, Kaikeyi, the same thing Ram is going to say today. So it's recapitulate what we studied before. Hey Rama, don't leave us because this is going to be the kingdom of Kaikeyi. We will not be living at all. Who knows? Even Ram says. Who knows that what will happen to us? Vasudeva, Vasudeva, Palayamam. Vasudeva, Vasudeva, Rakshaya. Hey Vasudeva, hey Jagannatha, 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 Palaya, Jagannatha, 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 Rakshamam, Mahabahu, Mahabahu. Rakshamam, Mahabahu, Mahabahu, Palayamam. Mahabahu. Krishna says if somebody has to see the strength of harm, see in Rama. So Shastra Vidya में इतना श्रेष्ठ कौन है? राम. महाबाहु 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 रक्षमाम महाबाहु 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 पालय माम. So they cry, but he just says Gamyatam Artha Siddhaye. Then on the first night they stay on Tamasa Nadhi, present day Ajamgarh, and then they travel south western direction about 195 to 200 kilometers. They come to the north east of Prayagraj. They bypass Varanasi, Kasi Kshetra. They never went. They came towards Prayag, northeast of Prayag. That's where we are there. So he befriends with Guha. एंड ये गट्ट तो रामायण में कवियों का इतना इतना जम है. पीपल टेक दिस गट्टा फॉर दर आत्मा अनुभव. वॉट एवर लॉर्ड राम शोज टू दम मानसिक में, दे डिड द कवना. Valmiki did one kind of a story. Then came Giridhara Das in Gujarati. He brings lot of stories and he names the Navakto Guhyak Goraya. And then Tulsi Das to epitome of bhakti rasa. He brings a character called Kevat, and Ram और लक्ष्मण और माँ सीता ये केवट को लटपट बात में लपेट, प्रेम लपेट लटपट बात में इतना मोहित हुए. सो राम जी को ये केवट ने प्रसन्नता किया. So they have come that far and they are asking Sumantra to go back. So Sumantra says, rather than me going back, I will take the horses along with me and then fall into the fire. And then but Ram persuades, and he is to Raj ka putra, isiliye Sumantra cannot say no, he goes back. And he keeps on seeing Ram, and it is said that he stayed along with Guha for 3 days with hope. So Valmiki calls Sumantra Tapasvi. That 3 days after Ram crossed Ganges, he was looking at the southern direction of Ganges to see, oh God, let Ram come back again. Because ye to Sukumari hai. Sita ma to itna Sukumari hai. So Ram will get offended to see Sita not able to bear the harshness of the forest, and hoping that Ram will come back. But Ram did not come back. Rama dvirna abhibhashate. What he gave, okamata okabhana. That's all. What he gave, he gave. So he is crossing Ganges, whether it is Kevetu, but Valmiki is clear that Guha did not put the oars. Guha let his men put the oars. couple of people went with रामचंद्र प्रभु गंगा को उस पार को तार करने के लिए वो प्रयत्न करता है. ये तो 10 श्लोक परम पवित्र श्लोक. सो माँ तो गंगा का पूजन करती है. सो द बेसिस फॉर गंगा आरती दीज डेज डेली इज फ्रॉम रामायण इन वन वे. सीता माँ ने किया. मध्यम तु समनुप्राप्य भागीरथ्या तु अनुन्दिता वैदेही प्राञ्जलिर्भूत्वा तां नदीम् इदमब्रवीत्. पुत्र दशरथस्य अयं महाराजस्य धीमतः निदेशं पालयतु येनं गंगे त्वद् अभिरक्षति. फर्स्ट चतुर्दश हि वर्षाणि समग्राणि उष्यकानने भ्राता सह महाचैव मया चैव पुनः प्रत्यागमिष्यति ततस्त्वां देवी शुभगे क्षेमेन पुनरागता. व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल मंगलाचरण. शुभगे ये माता गंगा. शुभगे ये माता we will come back. So she is praying in 10 slokas. ततः त्वां देवी शुभगे क्षेमेन पुनरागता यक्ष्ये प्रमुदिता गंगे सर्वकाम समृद्धये. That's why they do this arati. Yakshye, I will pray सर्वकाम समृद्धये. May all our wishes be fulfilled. त्वं हि त्रिपदगा देवी ब्रह्मलोकं समीक्षसे भार्या च उदधिराजस्य लोकेऽस्मिन् सम्प्रदिश्यते. सा त्वां देवी नमस्यामि प्रशंसामि च शोभने प्राप्त राज्ये नरव्याघ्र शिवेन शुभगे शिवेन पुनरागता गवां शतसहस्राणि वस्त्राणि अन्नं च पेशलं ब्राह्मणेभ्यः प्रदास्यामि तव प्रिय चिकीर्षये. I will do whatever is pleasing to you. I'll protect you. I'll protect the environment. Which she says, Suragata Sahasrena Mamsa Bhutaodanena cha Yakshe Tvam Prayata Devi Purim Punarupaga Upagata Yani Tvatirtavasini Devatani cha Santi Tani Sarvani Yakshyami Tirtani Ayatanani cha. पुनरेव महाबाहु मया भ्राता च संगतः अयोध्यां वनवासस्तु प्रविशस्तु अनगयो अनगे. ए अनगे ये शुभगे ये शिवे. तथा संभाषमाणा सा सीता गंगाम अनिंदिता. अनिंदिता गंगा अनिंदिता सीता. You can do अन्वय anyway. तथा afterwards संभाषमाणा सा सीता गंगाम अनिंदिता दक्षिणा सीता. Very efficient lady. She knows what to do. Because this same Ganga, when so she is playing like a jula, because she was so happy to see the nail Naka of Trivikrama. So when Kevat was doing the Pada Pujanam, त्रीणि पदा विचक्रमे विष्णुर्गो ओपाधाभ्यः ततो धर्माणि धारयन्. So she was thinking, this is where I came. Dhanyo. Then she said, I'm going to keep this divine couple for some time. So she is pushing one side, then pulling one side, pushing one side, pulling one side in the middle portion of Ganga. Then Sita understood. Their aim is to cross before the night falls. So she prayed. So that's why Valmiki says Dakshina, very effective, efficient. In a loose term, crafty. So she knows what to do. Dakshina, Dakshinam Tiram Chiprameva Apyubagamat. Chiprameva Apyugamat. Upagamat. So they came very quickly on the southern portion. How was it? Dakshina, efficiently. Because they pacified Ganges. Whereas in Raghuvamsa, Kalidasa says the same Ganges, when Rama says, Lakshmana, hey brata, take Babi and send her to Tamasa Nadi Tir, Madhya Pradesh mein Tamasa. Ye Tamasa, what we are seeing is in Uttar Pradesh. वाल्मीकि आश्रम तो दंडकारण्य के मध्य भाग में मध्य प्रदेश में भी एक तमसा नदी है. उस तट पे वाल्मीकि के आश्रम है, उस पे छोड़ कर आओ. Then Ganga says, Ganga was very furious. She said, no. Her waves were rising like anything, as if you have a what do you call this, big waves. So Ganga was showing as if the waves were like a ocean. Varayanti. She was blocking the way of Ma Sita when Lakshmana was trying to put oars to send to take Ma Sita to Tamasa Nadi in the Uttarakhand. Raghuvansa mein, Kalidas ne Raghuvansa mein says this, quite opposite. Here she was playing. All she wants is she wants to make sure Ram fulfills the vrata, but she wants to prolong it so that she could get the bhagyam of seeing this divine couple, because just then only they were smiling. Before that, it was all under stress. So tata shambhashamana sa sita gangam anindita dakshina dakshinam tiram kshipram yeva abhyupagamat tiram tu samanuprapya navam hitva narasharshaba pratishtate sahabrata vaidehya cha parantapa. Along with brata and along with dharmapatni pratishtate, he was moving along. Then this, all the people who put the oars, they took refuge in him and saying that हमारे तो धन्य हो गया. तीर गंगा ने उतरिया नावमाती रघुराय रे घनी स्तुति की दी गुह्य के कर जोड़ी लाग्यो पाय रे. They did stuti. What kind of a stuti? श्रीरामं त्रिजगद्गुरुं सुरवरं सीता मनोनायकं घनी स्तुति कीदी गुह्य के कर जोड़ी लाग्यो. श्रीरामं त्रिजगद्गुरुं सुरवरं सीता मनोनायकं श्यामांगं शशिकोटि मंजुवदनं वक्षोल्लसत्कौस्तुभम्. They are describing, you are Parama Pavana Mahapurusha. सौम्यं सत्वगुणोत्तमं सुसरयूतीरे वसंतं प्रभुं. क्या वाणी. त्रातारं सकलार्थ सिद्धि सहितं वंदे रघूणां पतिं. We are singing. Imagine if Parama Bhagavata like Guha and Uska men sings, how it would be. Sri Ramam Trijagadgurum Suravaram Sita Manonayakam. Pura Ramayana. Shyamangam Sasikoti Manjuvadanam Vakshol Asat Kaustubham Saumyam Sattva Gunottamam Sura Sarayutire Vasantam Prabhum Trataram Sakalartha Siddhi Sahitam Vande Raghunam Patim. Vande Raghunam Patim. And if you sing in Mohana, the beauty is beauty. Tiram tu samanuprapya navam hitva narashashava pratishtate sahabrata vaidehya cha parantapa ata bravin mahabahu. That's why we invoked the Mangalacharan. Mahabahu, Mahabahu, Mahabahu. Rakshama Mahabahu, Mahabahu. Because now from now on we are only going to see the valor of Ram's Bhuja. Mahabahu, Mahabahu, Mahabahu Palayamam. Ata Braveen Mahabahu Sumitrananda Vardhanam. Rama says now to Sumitrananda Vardhana Lakshmanji. Bhava Samrakshanartaya Sajane Vijane Piva. Now from now on we are on our own. आज का चर्चा तो don't cry over spilt milk. Rama says this metaphor, but Rama says Kachana kriya atikranta tavati sukara nahi. Whatever happened, happened. We cannot get it back from now on. Savadhan, don't cry over spilt milk. Value, mulya, isi sarg mein aata. Ata abraveen mahabahu sumitrananda vardhanam bhava samrakshanartaya sajane vijane viva. We have to protect ourselves. We are on our own. Avashyam rakshanam karyam adrishte vijanevane. We won't see what is coming. There are so many problems. Adrishte vane. Avashyam rakshanam karyam adrishte vijanevane agrataha gacha. This is where Shastra comes. Agrata gacha. Atma goes. Always runs away from Paramatma. Agrata, Lakshmana, you go. Lakshmana is metaphorically simile towards Atma. Amara Jaise. So we always run away from Prabhu. So Lakshman, go. Lakshmana, you go first. Rama is enacting Shastra here. Agrata gacha saumitre सीता त्वम अनुगच्छति. माँ तो बेटा और पिता के मध्य में है. She is the जोड़ने वाला. So Ma Sita will walk in between you, Lakshmana, and me. I will come and be a protector. Avashyam Rakshanam Karyam Adrushte Vijane Vane. It is not only a Shastra Kavya, it is not only a poetic Kavya, it is not only a Shastra, it is a life guidebook. We are doing this Charcha again and again. These, who knows that every Sarga, बाउंडलेस वैल्यूज प्रधानमंत्री ने वही बोला, राम एक व्यक्ति नहीं, भारत का प्रधानमंत्री व्यक्ति नहीं, मूल्य, ये ग्रंथ भी मूल्य। अग्रतः गच्छ सौमित्रे सीता त्वाम अनुगच्छतु, सीता विल फॉलो यू। सो द आत्मा गोस, माँ तो पुरुषार्थ है, माँ तो शी इज पुरुषाकार भूत, शी इज द रेकमेंडर। So Mata is the one recommender for Atma to reach the heavenly place. Prishtataha aham gamishyami. Who says? Ram himself says. Prishtataha aham gamishyami tvam cha sitam cha palayan. I will take care of you. This is for everybody, whether it is for Billy or Hetal, for Chichipai, everybody. He will protect us. Only thing is you need to have Vishwas. That we need to have. No lunch is free lunch. What we have to do is Vishwas. मेरा जीवन में प्रत्यक्ष पृष्ठतः अहम गमिष्यामि त्वां च सीतां च पालयन् अन्योन्यस्य हि नः रक्षा कर्तव्या पुरुषोर्थ। We have to take care of ourselves. अन्योन्यस्य हि न रक्षा कर्तव्या पुरुषर्षभ। हे लक्ष्मणा, we have to protect ourselves and I will be the superior protector. Nahi tavad beautiful. This is where it comes. There is no point in thinking why our father became so dependent on Mata Kaikeyi. We don't know what happened. We don't know of all the places. On one full moon day, there came this Mantara and standing in the balcony. We didn't know her before. All of a sudden, Yadrichaya, Valmiki uses Yadrichaya, all of a sudden this wicked woman came in the balcony on a Pushya Nakshatra, 2 days before. This is the third day. Third day, actually. The third day of Rama's exile. Nahi tavat atikranta sukara kachana kriya. Nothing. We can't redo what has happened. Spilt milk, what can you do? Maybe you can give it to cat or a dog. But beautiful. Can you believe? Don't cry over spilt milk. Ram says, Praghritam yeveti kim rakshani. Praghritam means gone astray, gone. What is the point in thinking, brooding over the past? But Ram says that is a lesson for us. Praghritam yeveti kim rakshaniyam sastram. But Ramayana is a practical for that Shastra Vakya. What do I do? Nahi tavade atikranta sukara kachana kriya atikranta. Some activity which has gone past atikranta, which has crossed us, water under the bridge. Water has gone to that side. Kachana kriya atikranta tavat. We can't do that sukara. We can't change. Sukara nahi kar sakte. Tavat kachana kriya atikranta tavat sukara nahi. What a beautiful thing. Rama says, Rama, Lakshmana, don't worry why this mother's buddhi went like that. Tulsidas says beautifully, because he's a bhakti kavi. वो तो शानीश्वर तो उसको टंग में आ गया, मत्तरा के टंग में और कैके की टंग में. Only Tulsidas says. So we don't know why that came. Shani came, no idea. Why father was such a dharmatma? Why he did this? No point in thinking. Why we have to drag this queen, Janaka Nandini, to why she should be put? That's where he says, why we should put Janaka Nandini in this treacherous place? Even today, forest is difficult in Madhya Pradesh and things like that. Imagine in those days. Such a dense forest. We don't know, but what we should do, we should always go ahead. Ram says this again and again and again. This is what mera व्यक्तित्व, मेरा डेली निदर्शन मैं देखता हूं मेरा जीवन में. वी हैव टू गो हेड फॉर मार्च गम्यताम अर्थ सिद्धये. आई हैव गिवन वर्ड दैट आई विल कम बैक इन 14 years, so let's march. He doesn't know where is he going to stay. It's only third night. He's just going. Wherever his mind takes, Rama is going. All it was asked that he should cross the Koshala Desha. He did it because Gomati ko par kiya. गोमती नदी तो बाउंड्री है कौशल देश का, वो पार किया. Then it is up to Ram. Wherever his mind takes, he is going. He doesn't know where is he going to stay. He doesn't even know. Valmiki is going to beautifully portray the feeling of a human being, ordinary, sadharan human being ka mana. He is going to do Chitrapada. He is going to take one whole sarga. He says, when a man gets into agony, what he does first, he feels dejected. He pours out its emotion without control. Then, when the emotions keep pouring, he gets angry. Anger on himself and anger on other person. Rama is going to show all that. And what is the difference between Ram and us is what makes Ram Maryada Purusha. मात्रा स्पर्शास्तु कौन्तेय शीतोष्ण सुख दुःखदा. द्वितीय सर्गा सांख्य योग में भगवान कृष्ण बोलते हैं, राम तो इनैक्टेड. मात्रा स्पर्शास्तु कौन्तेय शीतोष्ण सुख दुःखदा. आगम पायुनो नित्याः तां स्थितिक्षस्व भारत. द व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन राम? Ram showed that titiksha, one has to bear and move on. Agama paino anityaha. We don't know what is coming, what is going. Anitya. But tam stitikshasva bharata. Hey Bharata Arjuna, that is what makes one person Mahapurush and another one ordinary person lamenting. Valmiki brings one whole sarga, that emotion. He was so upset why this happened. Then he says, what will happen to my father? Oh, at one time Rama says, I am sure Kaikeyi is going to kill my father. Can you believe Rama telling? Because Valmiki portrays this is an ordinary human being. Everybody suffers. Punarapi manaram, punarapi jananam. Yehi niyamai. So he says, don't worry, don't cry over spilt milk. Kachana kriya atikranta tavat sukara nahi. All sarga, this will be a book for me. One of the many. Life my kya lesson. One short phrase. Nahi tavat atikranta sukara kachana kriya. Now it is the time that Sita learns how life is. Ram says, Adyaha dukkam tu vaidehi vanavasasya vetsaiti. Now, from now on, what he said is going to happen. 10 months. Nahi tavat adikranta sukara kachana kriya adya dukkam tu vaidehi vanavasyasi vesyasi. She is going to bear all the sufferings. Pranashta jana sambadam kshetra arama vivarjitam vishamam cha vishamam, difficulties. This is going to happen for us. Vishamam cha praptam cha vanamadye pravekshyati. Pranashta jana sambandam. We are going to lose connection with people. That's what when Bharadwaj Mahamuni says that please stay in Prayag. There are a lot of people, your Shishya and everybody. We cannot be amongst people. We have to go somewhere. So please, Mahamuni, guide. Why Bharadwaj Vamshko itna mahatva? The only Rishi who fed the entire battalion of Paramatma. Nobody did. Even Vasishtha did not do. When Bharata comes, the entire Ayodhya came. Bharadwaja did Atithi Samskar. No Mahamuni did. Ramayana itna. Why to pluck things which are not? Here and there may be things outlier. But ye to Mulya Grantha, look at it. Everything. Can you believe? Who will say, why to worry about the bygone? Let's bygones be bygone. That idiom, of course, fits here. Sanskrit mein itna aata hai. Shastra says, Prakriti hi evam Prakriti. What gone astray, gone astray. Kim rakshaniyam. What is the purpose in thinking and always brooding on it? Act on it. Move. Bharata, Uttitta Bharata, Jagrata, Swami Vivekananda. उपनिषद वाक्य श्रुत्वा रामस्य वचनं प्रतिस्ते लक्ष्मणाग्रतः अनन्तरं च सीताया राघवे रघुनंदना. ऐसा ही करता हूं भाई. He said, गतम तु गंगा परपारमाशु. They crossed Ma Ganga. After only 14 years they are going to see this pavitra nadi. रामम सुमंत्र प्रततम निरीक्ष्य. सुमंत्र रामम प्रततम निरीक्ष्य. गॉन. मेरा सोल तो गया. What a pity. He says, Kamban says in Tamil, this is because of Vidhi. Who thought that 2 days before on Pushya Nakshatra, this man was walking Matta, 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 Gaminam Jaisa, like a young, beautiful elephant? This man was coming in the Sabha, Badi Sabha mein ye aata tha. Look, Abhi. Now all his hair matted and he looks like a hermit. What is happening? Gatam tu Ganga Paraparamashu Ramam Sumantra Pratatam Nirikshya Adva Prakashate Vrinivritya Drishtihi. Adva Prakasha, he has gone, crossed Ganges. Vini Vritta Drishtihi Mumocha Bashpam. He was crying and crying and crying. Mumocha Bashpam Vyatitas Tapasvi. Valmiki says Sumantra was a tapasvi because all he cared was Rama Kainkaryam, Kim Karavani, Kim Karavani, next to Lakshmana. All I care is, hey Ram Prabhu, what should I do? Look, he has been serving the Ikshvaku dynasty for nearly 30 generations. Such a Vriddha, maybe even elder to Dasaratha, perhaps. So he must be in those metric calculation above 60,000 years. Definitely. In those yuga, that is Kala Beda. Let's not debate and do charcha there. So he's an elderly person who had served many Ikshvaku Dharmatmas. And he says, I want to be. He fell at the feet of Ram. Can you believe? Because he saw him as, it's not that he is a Narayana Swarupa, he is a Dharma Swarupa. Ramaha Dvirna Abhibhashate. Yam palayasi dharmatvam drityacha niyamena cha savai ragavasardhula dharmasvam abhirakshatu. He is the paripalan of dharmatma. What a slogan. Yam palayasi dharmasvam drityacha niyamena cha savai ragavasardhula dharmasvam abhirakshatu. 32 letters, that's all. Goosebumps. So gatam tu Ganga Paraparamashu Ramam Sumantraha Pratatam Nirikshya Adva Prakarshate Vinivritya Driti Mumocha Bashpam Vyatitastapasvi. This is where one controversy will come. स लोकपाल प्रतिम प्रभावाम तीर्वा महात्मा वरदो महानदीम ततः समृद्धान शुभ सस्य मालिना क्रमेण वत्सान मुदितान उपागमत. They came in the area between Ganges and Yamuna, where one portion is called Prayag and that county is called Vatsa Desh में आ गए. Tau tatra hatva chatuhu mahamrigan. This is where first reference comes about taking mamsa. Tau tatra hatva chatur mahamrigan. Valmiki is a great kavi. He gives the characters of 4 different bears. Varaham Rishyam Prushatam Maharurum Adhaya Medhyam Tvaritam Bubikshitau Vasaya Kale Yayaturvanaspatim. So the meter changes. Tau Tatra Hatva Chatur Mahamrgane Varaham Rishyam Prushatam Maharurum. Because what is it? Valmiki is going to put a curtain. Stage act changes, so he elaborates the meter from Anushtupu to Drishtupu. Tau tatra hatva chatur mahamrgane varaham rishyam prushatam maharurum adhaya medyam tvaritam bubukshitau vasaya kale yayatur vanaspatim. Tau tatra hatva. Why? Before 3 days, Pushya Din, then Aslesha Din, they were hosted by Guha. They didn't take any solid. Only he took Ganga water. 3rd day night on Makha. Pushya, Punarvasu, Pushya, Aslesha, Makha. On the day of Makha, they are crossing. On that evening of Makha, on the Makha, all this is happening on the 4th day. So on the Makha night, they are going to stay late evening. They have crossed Ganges. When Guha offered the food, Rama did not touch because it was decided that Ram has to fend for himself. He has to get his own food, or Ram or Lakshmana. Either one of them should get the food, and that is what they are going to eat for 14 years. Itna vrata, drida vrata. So he did not touch. Of course, on Punarvasu night, Vasishta told him to fast, so he skipped. Then Pushya night, it was so drama, tailspin. They were leaving Ayodhya, and that night they came and stayed in Tapasa Nadi. Nobody cared about food, even Ayodhya people. And then the next day is the Aslesha day. They met Guha and stayed in Shringaberpura that night, second night. And the third night, they have crossed Ganges and they went and hunted. Tau tatra hatva, both of them went and hunted because they are Kshatriyas. Tau tatra hatva chatur mahamrigane. Varaham. Varaham means here you cannot take it as a boar. It is one type of deer because Valmiki gives in a prior sentence Mahamrig. Mrig mane deer. Varaham rishyam prushatam maharurum. And what is it? One Vyakyana Karta. Rarest Vyakyana, Shiromani Vyakyana. No, in Amrita Kataka, beautifully. Amrita Kataka by Mahendra Yogi. People have spent their life in reading between lines. And he says, I did lot of parishrama, went here and there. These are all several hundred years back. And with Guru Kataksha, I was able to spot what these four deers were. And one deer had Bindu, one deer was a spotted deer. And one deer had a different kind of horn. And one deer was like a sheep. So, Varaham mane sheep like deer. Varaham rishyam prushatam maharurum adaya medyam. That is what it is. Can they take the food? In the evening, it was on the evening after Sandhyopasana, Ram and Lakshman did Agni Santana. They did Agni Ahuti. Medyam mane oblation. Ahuti to Agni. इसीलिए आदाय they fetched their own food and they first offered it to Agni with no salt, no nothing, only just plain mamsa to Medhyam. So it is not for taste. Adaya Medhyam Tvaritam Bubukshitau. 3 days they were fasting naturally. So they offered this oblation to Agni. Hence, they were entitled to eat. Even Brahmins are entitled. काल देश में उस समय में उस युग में श्राद्ध तो मांस से होता है. There is a shastra. Vasaya kale, appropriate time. Vasaya kale means sayam kale. Vasaya resided at the bottom of a tree. Kale yayatur vanaspatim tau tatra hatva chatur mahamrigane varaham rishyam prushatam maharurum. Adaya medhyam tvaritam bubikshitau vasaya kale yayatur vanaspatim vasaya. After they finished the evening sandhya vandan sandhyopasana, Valmiki never skips a time when he has to do this Ram's schedule, keeping up the schedule according to time. Sandhyopasana, Prata Sandhyopasana, Madhyanika Upasana, Sayam Sandhyopasana, then Prata Agni Santana, Sayankal Agni Santana, Sayankal Agni Santana, Uchita Kal में Agni Santana, मेध्य करके why prasad ko? Because they were angry. That too, they have to keep the atma. 3 days, how can they survive with just water? That too, only one day they took water. 2 days they didn't even take anything. The one has to protect atma rakshan. Atma ko raksha karna chahiye. इसलिए whatever they got, they had. That too, they didn't eat for taste. Agni में ताप करके, just they roasted it in the Agni and did the oblation and took part. Devan Shastra, this Amritakataka brings this. Yes, it is agreeable. Devan Pitrun Sabhyarchaya Khadan Mamsam na Doshabak. Devan Pitrun Archayan Khadan na Doshaha. It is not a dosha. But then one because it is such a okay, it is accepted. They didn't do any. Rama will not do anything against Shastra because he was a Kshatriya, but nobody touched that Varna ko, nobody charcha kiya. Govindarajiyam, Rama Tilaka Vyakyanam, Bhushana Vyakyana, Tilaka Vyakyana, Siromani Vyakyana, Amrita Kataka, Dharmakutam, Panch Maha Vyakyan, Sanskrit mein. Nobody brought the question because Rama was a Kshatriya, he did. Nobody did this superficial explanation. They went in depth. So this first reference where Mamsa Sarcha comes in Ramayana, they says Devan Pitrun Samabhyarchaya. For doing proper Archaya, Samabhyarchaya, Medhya karne ke liye Devani Pitrun Khadane mamsam na dosham. Because we cannot question Valmiki's Vakya. That is Satya. Because Brahma ne kaha, whatever is written in Valmiki Ramayana, it is Satya. All that, whether it is southern recension or northeast recension or western recension, there are only three approved recensions, critical editions. All three has this sloka, so it is not something interlude. We have to take it. So that is Satyavak. Then people have to labor to give justification because Valmiki is Mahapurusha, Adi Kavi. He wouldn't tell anything that is not correct. So he wrote, because Shastra says, Devan Pitrun Sabachaya, Samabhyarchaya, Kadane Mamsam na dosha bhake. But one Vyakhyaanakarta couldn't even digest. Why should I dilute Rama here? No, no. Rama, because he's a Kshatriya, he was tired. Look at his Manodharma. Like Tulsidas, can you say Kevat is not mentioned in Valmiki, so that is not correct? What is the justification? Ramayanto Shatakoti Vistirnam. It is 1000, so 100 crore Grantha in Brahmalok में. So Tulsidas could see that. राम में आ गया, राम तो आ गया ना उसको. We will see that when Rama goes to Chitrakoot, that's where one portion of Tulsi Ramayana was written. Kamadgiri, Kamadnath ki kripa se uska vani to aa gaya. One portion was written in Kashi, one portion was written in Ayodhya, one portion was written in Chitrakoot. So likewise, आधाय मेद्यम त्वरितं बुभुक्षितौ आसाय काले ययतुर् वनस्पतिम. This व्याख्यानकर्ता, his name is Shivavasya. क्या क्या संस्कृत वाणी शिववास्य ने लिखा, महामृगान हत्वा केलनार्थम संताड़य. I don't agree with all these people. They are Kshatriya. Kelanartham santaradya. They just played with this mriga because that is their playful activity being a Kshatriya. Kelanartham samtadya bubukshitau tau Rama Lakshmanau medyam vratibihi bhoktavyam. Then they did medyam. But what did they offer in oblation? Phaladikam ityartaha. Let's take that they played. But Valmiki never said medyam, but Valmiki did not say that they offered. He's reading between the lines. Varaham rishyam prushatam maharurum adaya. You stop there. Adaya, they could have played and brought that because later Ma Sita is going to ask for a deer. Similarly, they brought it, but Valmiki did not clearly say that they ate it. Medyam tvaritam. They then quickly did medyam. With what? मांस से मेद्यम किया वाल्मीकि ने, स्पष्ट न किया. He says, Bubukshitau tau Ramalakshmanau medyam vratibihi bhoktavyam phaladikam ityartaha. What bhoktavyam? What did they eat? Medyam they did. And they only consumed phala. But that's not the understanding of major Vyakhyaanakartas. All Vyakhyaanakartas says they offered the medyam. Devan Pitrun Samabhyarchaya Khadane Mamsam na Doshabha. Take that as the authority. They took that as an offering to Agni. Agni avamo devata. So there is no charcha. It is accepted. That too Ram did, so no question. That too written by Valmiki, no question. So they now came on the evening of Makha day and they are going to be on their own, only all three of us. Prior to that, they were with Guha. Prior to that, they were with Sumantra. Prior to that, on Tamasa Nadi, they were with the entire Bhagavatas of Ayodhya. Now they are going to be alone. So Rama says, this is our first night all on our own. That's where the exile actually starts. Satam vriksham samasadhya sandhyam anvasya paschimam. Look. Then the evening came. After they did this, they were very particular that they do Sandhya Vandan. Paschimam Dishi Dekkar, western direction ko Dekkar. Valmiki never misses. That is Shastra. Kshatriya, Brahmana, of course, and one more, they are allowed to do this. Anyway, Satvam Vriksham Samasadhya Sandhyam Anvasya. Anvasya means pray, upasana. पश्चिमाम् अन्वास्य रामः रमयतां श्रेष्ठ इति यः उवाच लक्ष्मणं श्रेष्ठ रमयति the one who pleases everybody. Of course he pleased अग्नि देवता. वरुण को सायं संध्यावन तो वरुण को प्रार्थना करना है, प्रातः संध्यावन तो मित्र सूर्य को प्रार्थना करना है. ओके. स त्वं वृक्षं समासाद्य संध्याम् अन्वास्य पश्चिमां रामः रमयतां श्रेष्ठ इति उवाच लक्ष्मणं. हू इज लोकप्रिय रामः? He just started speaking to Lakshmana. So he started to speak to Lakshmana. 53rd Sarga, 8th beginning. अद्य इयं प्रथमा रात्रिः याता जनपदात् बहिः. This is the first night of our actual exile. Janapadat bahi, out of the eyes of people. Janapadat, gramat bahi, outside the sight. Outside the sight, outside the mind. Adya iyam pratama ratri yata. We are starting our first night, actual night of exile. Ya sumantrena rahita tam na utkantitum arghasi. We don't have to be fearful because Sumantra left, so there is nobody. We have to fend for ourselves. This is the first night. So this is basically the third night. Fourth night they are going to be staying in Bharadwaj Muni ke ashram pe. Jagartavyam atandribhyam adya prabhuti ratrishu. Beautiful. He says two things. When we have to fend ourselves, we have to be very careful. Jagartavyam jakrata. And then he uses a beautiful word. One has to see Amarkosha to understand the meaning. Tantribihi, atantribihi. Tantri being lazy. Atantribhyam, we should not be lazy and we should be attentive. It's for everybody, particularly for students studying. Jagartavyam atantribhyam adya prabhuti. From now on, ratrishu yogakshemahi sitaya vartate lakshmana avayoho. What is the duty? Simple duty. Because Ram is Paramapurusha, he knew that something is going to happen down the road. So, all Lakshmana, let us take this one. Apart from doing the Shastra Vihit duties, all we have to do is protect Sita. That's all. Yoga Kshema hi Sita ya Vartate. That's all. Can you believe? Simple life. That's all. He is not thinking that he is going to conquer somebody in Dandakaranya. We do what is said by Shastra. We just live like a life of a hermit, pluck something, eat. That's all. And then take care of Babiji. Ratrim katanchiti eva imam saumitre vartayamahe. Then Sita was asked to sleep under a tree, and Rama and Lakshmana went 3 feet away because this is man to man talk. Man to man talk, Valmiki portrays here between Lakshmana and Rama. Actual life of a human being. Rama is being portrayed as a human being struggling with emotions. Vyakula, angry, kama, krodadi, all these things. Then Valmiki will say, but hey Manush, he is not like you. He just depicts it and immediately he gets control of it. Matra sparshastu, matra sparshatu. Senses will always affect you. Hey Manush, Gitacharya. Kaunteya, Sitoshnas like this summer and spring and winter. Sitoshnas Sukha Dukkata. Who knows what will come, what apatti will come. Agama Payino Anityaha. So control, Rama did. So that's why Sita, Krishna had the liberty to say this because he had seen what Rama had done it. Ratrim katanchiti evam ivam saumitre vartayamahe upavartamahe bhumau astirya swayam arjitai. They collected all the grass. Upavartamahe bhumau. They just stretch. Upavartamahe. They just try to stretch their feet. We say that, no, that is what it is. So Sita was asleep. They made sure that Sita is comfortable, and then they went aside to some other tree and then started talking, sitting on the grass made bed made by themselves. Arjitaihi, on their own. Swarajitam, we say that. No, Pitrarjita, Swararjita. So they did everything on their own. That is one vrata. When you are living as a life of a hermit, you have to do everything on your own. Satu Samvishya Medinyam Maharya Shayano. Who is he? He was eligible for such a lavish bed. Maharya Shayanochita. इमा सौमित्रये रामं व्याजहार कथाश is a human being. Vyajahara, he started pouring out his chest. Vyajahara katha shubha. He was telling his brother, only now they had time for themselves. So he says, hey Lakshmana, listen, why this happened? Can you believe Rama, who had consoled Gugha, who has consoled Sumantra, who has consoled Ma Kausalya, and the entire battalion he has consoled? He says, I am certain that my mother, Kaikeyi, is going to kill my father. Because Valmiki wants to say that this is how human life is. Understand? Even for the incarnation, Paramaprabhu, Mahaprabhu, when he takes this Prithvi Sambandh, this is what happens. You are in this Sanchala, which 2 days back, Dasaratha already told, Manushyanam chalanameva mati. That is one pearl of wisdom. Why I am doing it? Tomorrow you convene the court today, and tomorrow you are telling even Bharata was not there, Shatrughna was not there. Shatrughna, Nitya Shatrughna, Satya Bhagavata. He is also not there. Why? They ask him. Why are you doing this? Hey, Vriddha. Because human mind is fickle. Manushyanam chalanameva mati. So I'm doing this. Dhruvam Madhya Maharajo Dukkam Swapiti Lakshmana. Dhruvam, it is certain that our father is in utter sorrow. Krita Kamatu Kaikeyi Tutta Bhavitumar. Can you believe? Krita Kama, she achieved what she want. He didn't say here Mata. He says Kaikeyi. Krita Kama, she achieved by wicked means. Krita Kama to Kaikeyi Tushta Bhavitumar. She must be pleasant and happy. Whereas my father, Satyavan, who is he? He is in the Vamsa of Bhagirata. He is in the Vamsa of Harishchandra. We saw that. Harishchandra Vrittant ko last session mein dekha. Bo Kashi Jana. Hey, people on the streets of Kashi, I am selling my wife. Are there anybody to buy her? Surya Vams Raja पुकारता है. Dhruvam Madhya Maharajo Dukkam Swapiti. Dukkam Swapiti. He is going to suffer not having sleep. That is an important problem. If you have Mana Chanchal, no sleep, you will have good sleep. That's a different story. Oh, Ramayan to mere ka sleep 8. Because 5 Vyakhyan I have to study. And some words, Sanskrit Amarakosh dekhne bina nahi aata. Then I have to call my people in India and get some clarity. So it is not easy that you come and do. Our sessions are different. We only not stick to Moola Grantha. We take all. No? So I have to see, and I have Sarvam Samanjasam karna padta hai. I have to reconcile. The first ever lecture where I say why Kevat Vrittanta is there, everybody will say, oh, that is Tulsidas, usko manodharm ke hua, Atma Anubhava se kar. No. Then discussion happened and they said, look, this is how it should be because Ramayana to itna grantha. Oh, Ramchandra ne, Valmiki ne, he didn't do it speshta. One servant of Guha might be Kevat. Anyway, so Dhruvam Madhya Maharajo Dukkam Swapiti Lakshmanaha Kritakama to Kaikeyi Tushta Bhavitumara. She must be happy. Then look at human being. Well, now my brother is going to rule. Can you believe? Can you see this? Rama is saying this because he is a human. Atmanam Anushammanye Ramam Dasharatha Atmajam. He himself says to Brahma, Shivaji, Atmanam Anushammanye Ramam Dasharatha. I am only a son of Dasharatha. Hey Devata. साहि देवी महाराजम कैकेयी राज्य कारणात् अपि न How come she is not killing my father? Can you believe? Rama is saying that. Apina chavayete pranane dritva bharatamagatam. After seeing Bharata to inherit the kingdom, why is she even letting my father survive? Apina chavayete pranane. Sahi Devi Maharajam Kaikeyi Rajyakar. She got what she wanted. Rajyakaranate Bharatamagatam. So Bharata came. So there is a heir. Why is she still keeping the life of my father? Api na chavayeti pranane anataha. My father is anatha. Can you believe? Who could go and fight single-handedly to save Indra? He has now become anatha. That is vidhi, daivatam. Anataha chaiva vriddha. Not only is anatha, nobody there to trust. He cannot trust his priya patni. Kaikeyi was his priya patni. He could not trust. So he became anatha, vriddha, old. Maya chaiva vina krita. I also came. I came out. He is old man. Lost everything. Hope is gone. Dasaratha lost his hope. And then he is among vultures. Kim karishyati kamatma kaikeya vasha kamatma. Kaikeya vashamagata kim karishyati. What she will do? We don't know, Lakshmana. He is lamenting. Can you believe Mahaprabhu is lamenting? Only Valmiki portrays. Because it is Adhikavya. He sees. Idam vyasanam alokya rajna cha mati vibramam. He would have gone pagal, psychotic. Mati vibramam. Kamayeva artha dharmyam. Beautiful. Now I understood. Look, Mahaprabhu says, in this world, it is lust that rules everything. Kamayeva artha dharmyam gariyan. Pearl. Every word by word is pearl. Kama, it is lust that rules. Whether it is lust for land, we are seeing now, even in 2025, lust for land, lust for power, and everything. Ramayana Pratyaksha Grantha. Kama eva artha dharmyam gariyan. Gariyan means bigger, powerful. The mightier of dharma and artha is kama. Take it from me. Our own father is an exhibit of it. Kama eva artha dharmyam gariyan iti me mati. This is my conclusion. Ko hi avidvanapi puman pramadhaya krite tyajet. Which father will let a son who is abiding by Shastra, Chanda Anuvartinam Putram, Chandas Mane, Veda Anuvartinam Putram, which father? Even stupid father will not do. Kohi Avidwan, even a stupid, ignoramus person will not do. Avidwan api puman, pramadaya, pramada mane, women. For the sake of women, which father, even a stupid, ignoramus forest, will not do? Can you believe? Mam Iva Lakshana. Who will let me go? You may think it is Atma Prasamsha, but he is a human being. He is lamenting. Sukhi Bhava. Sabarya. Heck, let them be happy. Look at this. This sarga is what actually the pearl of Ayodhya Kanda, where every human being suffers. But big Katha Vachak will have to skip because they have been only given 9 days. These pearls disappear. Hindu temple we are doing. If God gives me an I stay in Labak, and if we complete Saptama Sarga, this will be a Guinness record. 81 session, 53 adhyaya in Ayodhya, word by word, life value. Anyway, Sukhi Bhata Sabharya cha Bharata Kaikeyi Suta Me Bharata. Can you believe this? This Rama is Satya, fond of his brother. He says, let them live happy. Heck, Bhata. Sukhi Bhata Sabharya cha Bharata Kaike. Sabharya Bhata Bharata. Let Bharata and his wife live happily. Muditane kosalan yekoyo bokshyati adhirajavati. Like a supreme dictator. Adhirajavati means dictator. Adhirajavati, let him enjoy the entire kosala deta. Muditan kosalan yeko ya bokshyati adhirajavati, dictator like this. Sahi swas sarvasya rajyasya mukam. He will be the face of the entire world. Sahi sarvasya rajyasya mukhamekam bhavishyati tate cha vayasatite mayi cha aranyam. Tata has gone, vayasatite. He is looking to meet the maker. Mayi charanam asrite artha dharmo parityaj. Then, this is the lesson you get when you put kama in front of dharma. Artha dharmo parityajya yak kaman anuvartate. Who goes after kama? Who goes after lust? Discarding dharma and artha. Evam apadyate kshipram. This is what the lesson you will get in life. Hey Lakshmana, we have seen that from our father. Artha dharmo parityajya yak kamam anuvartate. Yaha kamam anuvartate. Artha dharmo parityaje. Evam apadyate. This is what will come. Kshipram, immediately. In 3 days, Dasratha is gone. Just 3 days. By the time Sumantra goes, 6 days. One Vyakyana Karta says Sumantra stayed with Guha for 3 days. So 3 plus 3. On the 6th day, he is gone. Dasharatha is gone. Evam Chipram Raja Dasharato Yata. Like our father. He doesn't say father because he is a man full of lust here. Artha Dharmo Parityajya Yakkaman Anuvartate. Evam Apadyate Chipram Raja Dasharato Yata. Manye Dasharatha Anta, it is going to be the end of Dasharatha. Manye Dasharatha Antaya Mama Pravrajanaya cha. Because we came, Dharma left. When Dharma left, the ruler is the guardian of Dharma. Dharma will take him away. Manye Dasharatha Antaya Mama Pravrajanaya cha. Kaikeyi Saumya Samprapta. She got what she wanted. Lament. పవమాన సుదుడు పాటు పాదార విందములకు నీనామ రూపములకు నిత్య జయ మంగళం మంగళం కోసలేంద్రాయ మహనీయ గుణాబ్దయే చక్రవర్తి తనూర్జాయ సార్వభౌమాయ మంగళాని సంతు